Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got right where they film the Benidorm TV series, guys. If you watched the Benidorm TV series, this is of course the reception area that they use. Also are the filming areas around Benidorm. There is of course Morgan Tavern. That they used. And then we've got Iceland. Yes, guys. Benidorm has an Iceland as well, guys. So that's my shopping done at Iceland. I only went in for the flavoured sugar-free water. Got each of the different flavours. You can get 2 litres for $1.50, when a different brand is like a litre for €1, so you might as well pay the extra 50 cents and get the 2 litre bottles. I somehow managed to spend €16 in there. How? God only knows. But yes, if you've ever been in Iceland over in Benidorm, that's what happens. Because you tend not to see a lot of stuff, and you're like, oh, look at that, like, oh, I haven't seen that, and before you know it, you're coming out with a bag full of stuff that, yeah, you didn't actually like necessarily need. So we've got the Hotel Deloy just coming up on the right hand side there. Crash. I was itching, sorry. So hit the like, guys, hit subscribe, hit the share bell as well, and I'll see you on the next